Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the AutoCAD Fatal Error. First, go to your desktop screen. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and choose Display Settings from the menu. Scroll down the page until you find the section called Graphics. Click on it to open more options. Now inside the Graphics Settings window, look for a button called Browse. Click on it. A File Explorer window will now open. From here, go to your C drive. Then open the Program Files folder. In this list, look for the Autodesk folder and open it. Inside, find the AutoCAD folder that matches the version you have installed. Once you are in the AutoCAD folder, locate the application file for AutoCAD. It will have the AutoCAD icon. Click on it, then click on Add. After it has been added to the list, click on Options next to it. This will open the Graphics Preference window. Select the Performance option. This will force Windows to use the best possible graphics mode for AutoCAD, which can help reduce or fix the fatal error problem. Once done, close all windows and try launching AutoCAD again. It should now work without showing the error. Thanks for watching.